Hola mi familia, it's Mara and Edwin. He don't want to say his name. Today we're at I just fell and he's laughing. Yeah, Wingstop. And we're gonna chop finger mukbang. Mukbang? He doesn't know what a mukbang is. It's basically where you get food and you eat. And they watch you eat.
Why would I want people to watch me eat?
It's mukbangs. They do it all the time. Comment down below if you watch mukbangs and if you know what I'm talking about. Because that's what we're going to do. Our first mukbang. And let's see if it goes good. He never did one. It's basically where you eat and you tell a story. And you talk to the subscribers about, you know, whatever we want to talk about, like our day today, or a movie we seen, or what would we like to do on a date. You feel me? Like that type of shit. But right now, the mukbang hasn't started because we don't have our food. And we're waiting for our food. Mukbang? Mukbang? Mukbang. Okay. And we'll be back once our food comes. But it's gonna be a car edition because I gotta go to work. And I gotta work at 6:30. So I gotta, you know, eat fast. But not too fast. Bye guys. See you when our food get here. So, you wanna tell them?
So, I bought my daughter like a $28 Raider jacket. So pretty much we're gonna pretend that it costs $80, damn near $90, and we're gonna see the reaction. You feel me?
His parents. That's who he's talking about.
Yeah, and we're talking about my parents. You feel me? This nigga happy because she got her fucking iPad and shit.
You feel me?
Couldn't get me an iPad.
Okay, mi familia, we finna go at it. See?
Ready? Mira, nena. Aubrey. Aubrey. Mira, nena.
Aquí, Mara, graba en vivo.
Mira, nena. Nena, mira. Tu chamarra oficial, mami. ¿Sabes cuánto me costó? 89.
Te voy a pegar,
¿Por qué?
30.
¡Ay, Emma!
No, que trae $70.
No, ya ni chiquito.
Los Jordan, eso pues, 50.
Eso costando 50.
Hi, Mama. They tried to prank your abuela, papi.
Yo le digo a estos, le digo, se van a guardar para el next.
So, hi, Riley.
Ajá.
Get that pacifier out your mouth. Here you thought. So, he tried to do it on his parents, and it didn't work. But, you know, we finna do the mukbang. And when I get back in the car, but I gotta go to the bathroom. See you guys later. Bye.
Open my recent
What's
message.
good, mi familia? I'm back with food in a car, like I promised. My drink earlier was that y'all seen me get the
Send
Fanta
message.
strawberry and the Sprite. Nah, bro, that shit was nasty. So I got the Coca-Cola
No.
instead. But I got some ranch, but I ain't gonna have time to like dip in shit. I think, oh yeah, pinche. Yo, get
Send
so
message
filled.
and say studio session or not.
You have to pay for it.
Yes. Go to my recent message.
It's hot. So, I'm on my way to work. Thought I was gonna be late, but you know, I'm gonna get you vato. No, I'm just kidding. Can I have $10? Oh, no, 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 no.
Look, watch this. I love you.
I love you too. Silly goose. Chicks are for kids. So anyways, guys, it's like when you get some good food because you haven't eaten in a while, when you eat it, you finally eat, it's like paradise. Didn't y'all feel like that?
Yeah. I want to go to the cheesesteak house.
Hey.
Sorry.
Yeah, T-Mobile. Una tu queso feo. See? Did I say that right?
One of my shit fell.
Yeah.
Did it open?
Yeah. Yeah. Ew.
It spilled everywhere?
Yeah. I think. And like what I'm looking at.
You can't fucking pick it up, throw it away.
I'm doing the mukbang.
Yeah. Worried about yourself eating.
I obviously wasn't worried too much about myself
Because your
eating.
bitch ass.
I obviously
bitch ass.
wasn't worried about myself eating too much if I had the common sense to let you know that your queso
bitch
fell.
ass
I gotta be bitch
are
ass.
eating and not doing nothing about it.
You got one queso. Yep, that shit fell off. What more can I do about it?
Throw the shit away.
But it's all over the place. What, you want me to throw the whole bag out?
Yeah.
No. I do it when I get in my job. You're not gonna run me out of my freaking mukbang.
Fucking mukbang, bitch.
You don't even know what the mukbang is. That's why you're not in my video.
Fuck.
Yeah. Anyway, so yeah. Well, that argument lasted for like 2 seconds. I told you guys, the majority of the time, I don't have my seatbelt on right in the car, which is unsafe. But I'm a motherfucking vato. I don't care. I'm a real deal. You know, I'm not scared.
Yeah, you're gonna be the real about the one that wrenches up in your fucking shirt.
You gonna lick it out?
You need to get shit out.
I'm gonna lick this wrench out my boobies. I'm kidding. Hold on, they looking good. No, I'm just kidding. In his face, guys. Well, he's so mean. I'm
Because you're only showing your boobs and not the fatness down here.
Oh yeah, I'm fat, y'all. I'm fat for sure. That's baby fat.
Ain't no baby fat. That's some big ass fat.
Oh, who you texting, bitch? It's not for me.
It's my partner.
Watch. He's gonna say, it's not for me. It's a group chat. But really, bitch, you're texting the girl.
Okay, right. This for all the girls who be watching this shit, or if y'all even watch this shit. Do y'all think I'm attractive? Because I don't think I'm attractive if I would never cheat on her.
Come in hell fucking no, you ugly as fuck.
Yeah, I'm ugly as fuck and I know it. I was cute as fuck when I met her, but see, what happened was she got pregnant.
Bitch, what you trying to say?
And
I'm ugly?
She started eating a whole lot of shit and giving it to me. So all of that fat went to me and not to her.
It was good to him. It was good to him. She was good as fuck. But you can't lie, it was good though, right?
It was
It was, right? What we have?
burritos,
Tacos
fucking
with McDonald's. Like, bro, like if you go to Taco Bell, like you get tacos, my nigga. Then you go to McDonald's, my nigga, and get a large fry or any small, medium, large fry, my nigga. Them shits are the best together.
Ora marrano.
Like, I don't know if that was just a pregnancy craving, But
So
oh my
niggas,
gosh, some tacos
damn,
and that
bruh.
French fries. was
Niggas
really
went
bomb.
Hollywood on
Fuck,
them
like
niggas.
Taco Bell, McDonald's. Excuse me, that shit bomb as fuck. Like, if I don't know that, oh damn, hiccup.
You made a song with Young Gallo?
But yeah, so if I don't know about it, know about it, and that shit's gonna be dope.
Man, fuck
Because
that
I gotta
nigga.
go to work and I'm outside my job actually. I'm not liable for
man,
none
that
of
nigga
them
did
people's
follow
in
me
there that
back.
got viewed on my camera. 'Cause I don't care.
Hey,
But,
some,
yeah,
some nigga. Some
Shut
nigga.
up, you loud, bro.
Damn, bruh.
Whisper, nigga. Hey, big table down.
What's it called?
Every time it's
some
like,
niggas
late.
on his IG.
Hey
nigga,
guys, I'm gonna be
showstopper
back.
started
I
following
do not
me,
know what time it is, and I do not want to be late.
Yeah. I know. That's what I said. God
I'm
damn.
cute.